All right, you guys, so this is my 2015 Toyota 4Runner. This is the SR5 model. And what we're gonna do today is we're blacking out these emblems. So what I did was I just went online and I purchased a kit for it, just on Amazon. And it just came in like this. And I'll put the link to which kit it was, but as you can see right now, they're chrome, and we're going to turn them black like this. And I really like this kit because it makes it really easy. I've done the plasti dip before, and it looks good, but I just didn't really have the time to do it, and so this is a quick 5-minute install that you can do, and it's super easy. And like I said, I'll put the link to it so that you can go on and purchase these, but we're gonna black all of these out right here. All right, guys, so the first thing that we want to do here is, and I'm just using kind of an all-purpose cleaner for this, but we want to make sure that we clean these out so that the adhesive really sticks to it, that glue really sticks to it, and we won't have problems in the future. So we want to just make sure we kind of get in there. Just make sure that it's really nice and clean. And this is really one of the easiest things you can do. Like I said, I don't have any problems with the plasti dip, but it's just a little bit more time consuming. You gotta tape the areas and do a couple coats and stuff. So this, for me, this was really just kind of the best option that we could do. So kind of as you'll notice here, you'll have two different sizes for the Toyota symbol. One of them, the bigger one, is going to go up front. The smaller one's the one that goes back here. And then we have all these letters. And so what happens is they have, in the back, they'll have this adhesive here that this little piece of paper that you just take off. And then they go right over it. You want to just kind of push it down and just make sure that you get all the areas so it doesn't come off. And then you want to just do this for every single one. And that's about it. So that's that. I'll go ahead and do the front ones. I've already done the SR5, and that's what it looks. That's what it looks like right there. All right, so we're up here to the front. Same thing. Just want to clean it off first. And this is just all-purpose cleaner. Back. All right, and that's about it. That's how it looks. All right, guys, and there you have it. So I think the next video that we're gonna do is installing the pod lights right here. I brought the brackets. I'm just waiting for those to come in, and then we'll put those up. And then I also have this roof rack with some spotlights that I want to put up there. And then we'll get the video for the wiring and everything on that, and just how we do it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.